So guys, this is the Mi Band 3 with different watch faces. So in this video, I will show you guys how to change the watch face or get a custom face on your Xiaomi Mi Band 3. So here is the simple process that you can use to change the watch faces on your Xiaomi Mi Band 3. So what you need to do is swipe among the faces that you get on your Xiaomi Mi Band 3. Between the modes, swipe to the second last mode, that's the more option, then swipe right again and you will get to the screen mode. Long press and hold the touch capacitive button. After that it will show you the touch faces, all the custom watch faces. Swipe up and down to select the watch face. When you are done selecting the watch faces, touch the screen and hold for a while. You guys can see here the watch face has been selected and your Mi Band 3 is having a new watch face. So that's the pretty much it for this video guys. If you like this video then give it a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. And I will catch you guys later on the next coming video. Till then, peace out and bye bye.